How to reset ChatGPT account settings to solve errors. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Then click on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen, here click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your name, here you will find different options. In here, simply click on Data Controls. After you've clicked on Data Controls, click on Clear Chat History. After you've clicked on Clear Chat History, click on Clear Chat History again. After you do that, if it still does not work, you can remove the app and reopen the app and try using ChatGPT. If it still does not work, you can click on the two lines at the top left again and click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen again. In here, click on General. After you've clicked on General, try different settings of color scheme, accent color, and language. You can change the language. After you've changed the language, you can change accent color and color scheme as well. And try using it now. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to reset ChatGPT account settings to solve errors. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.